Okay, Ryan, this is going to be your little lesson on how to use this meter. So you're going to take a look here. You're going to turn that to kilowatt setting. Now take a look down here. Here you see the little KW. If you hit the mode button by accident, you're going to get a bunch of different readings there. You want to take it back to where it says kilowatt. Now you're in the right setting. And again, it's kilowatt up here in the top left. You're going to want to put the little roach clip on, not to smoke pot, but to clamp onto ground. And then this is going to be your positive, and you're going to be using this clamp to clamp onto the phases. Let me get my assistant here to hold the camera, and I've drawn for you a disconnect. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do, Ryan, is you're going to look for a ground. And what I did, there's a couple things. You can try to clamp onto the latch. And by the way, the box will not open. This door is open. The box won't open unless the power is off. So you got to turn the power off. Then you got to usually push the latch with your finger or something to get the door to open. Once it opens, you're looking for a ground. You might see a wire actually screwed to the box somewhere. That'll show you that is a ground. Otherwise, if you look at where the conduit comes in, the threading of the conduit, that's screwed right into the box. You can just clamp your little roach clip right onto that conduit. It opens really big, so it'll usually clamp right on. Or you can clamp it on to the latch. And what you want to do is, this thing is in kilowatt setting. You clamp the ground on, and that's how you release. You don't have to hold it, so it's clamped on. Then you open this up and you put it on one of the phases, and at the same time you put your positive on that phase that you're measuring. You're going to get a kilowatt setting, and write that down. So if it's like a 5 watt, or if it's a 5 horsepower motor, you're going to get like point some number. If it's 7.5, you're going to be at like 1 point something or 2 point something, and above that you're going to be in whole numbers with a decimal. So you have to write it down for that one phase, so A, B, C. You leave the ground on, you unclamp this, you clamp it onto the next phase, you measure the next phase, you do the same thing again. On the third phase, you're going to get 3 numbers, you add them together, and now you have a complete kilowatt measurement, instantaneous kilowatt measurement for the fan. Lastly, the meter, once it's on, you're going to see it's just going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down constantly. The best thing to do is look at it for a few seconds, 5-10 seconds, and just take note of the upper range. So the highest number or pretty close to the highest number. If you keep seeing that number appear, that's best for everyone. And that's it.